Hi there, welcome to Contabo channel. I'm Jairo, and today we're here to help you manage your Contabo account with ease. In this video, I'll show you how and where you can find your invoices and how to read your payment history. Let's get started. Checking the payment history makes it easier to track payments and bookings. It will provide a clear overview of your payments due and help to plan financial obligations. First, log into your Contabo account using the Customer Control Panel. Enter your credentials and you'll land on your dashboard where all the magic happens. Next, click Account in the Control Panel and go to the Billing and Payment. This will take you to the Payment History page. In your payment history, you can see that every booking and every payment in a specific time frame and preset is the last month. This can be changed here. This is a payment, and this would be a credit note, and these are the recurring bookings. Invoices are created at the beginning of each month and show all bookings that have been made since the last invoice. If you have defined an invoice contact, the invoice will also be sent to them by email. Please note that your invoice can have more than one page. At Contabo, we are combining cutting-edge technology with unmatched affordability and security. Whether you're hosting websites, running virtual machines, or managing enterprise infrastructure, we make sure that managing your account is as easy as hosting with us. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy hosting!